morning to all my students. This is Sonali Kalikote, English teacher of DSB School. Today I am here with the same chapter but a different lesson. Okay. So my dear students, last time we were doing the Taro rivers. That is our chapter 3rd. We are running with honeysuckle, right? So we are doing the class 6 subject English literature and the chapter is 3. Okay, so my dear student, in the last previous video we did the introduction of the story and description of the story, as well we did the characteristics of the story. But in this lesson we will do the story or the tale of the story. Okay, that means we are going to do a part 1 of the story. And as you can see on the board that I have already written the new words over here. It will be better for you if you jot down the word meaning in a copy, and it will be easier for you to remember it. So the first one is chopped, means cut the wood into pieces, and second one is thoughtful, means considerate. Needed means required. Expensive means costly. Sweat means perspiration. Rushing means fast flowing. Direction means side, and kneeling means bending on knees. That means these all are the meanings which we are going to use in this first part. Okay, that means this is the duty to do on your copy. And the next I have given you the some question over here which I am not going to solve it. Okay, this will be the classwork of yours. Okay, and you are going to solve it. You are going to solve this question by your own self after understanding the part 1. That means I have not given you the much more, but I have just given you the 3 questions which you have to do it. Why I am giving this before any? Because I know better that you all are not going to watch the video till end. So this is why I am giving you at the first of the story. So now the question is like this. Why did Taro run in the direction of the stream? Number 1. And the number 2, how did Taro father shows his happiness after drinking sake? And the number 3rd is, why did the waterfall gave Taro sake? This will be the waterfall. Why did the waterfall give Taro sake and other water? Okay, that means this all are the question for you. Now I am going to start a story. Okay, so now once in a hillside there was a poor boy whose name was Taro, and he used to live with his mom and dad, actually with his old parents. Okay, now though he was a thoughtful son, okay, he was a thoughtful son. Thoughtful means already I have written over here, considerate son. Okay, that means he was very thoughtful towards his parents. But though he was thoughtful, but he was very poor person. Okay, so now what he used to do for living? Okay, he used to chop the wood. That means cut the wood into pieces. He used to chop the wood, okay, from the jungle. Okay, so now that was his living purpose. Though he worked so hard, okay, but his needed was not so fulfilled, because the things which he needed, the things which he required, that was not so plenty. Okay, according to himself and even towards his family also, because he was the only person to look after his parents, and he was a poor woodcutter. So now that woodcutter cannot earn a large amount of money. Why? Because he is not running under the big institute or any kind of big company. Okay, but he is the simple man where he was working on the jungle, cutting the wood, chopping the wood, and buying and selling the wood. After doing this, he used to look out after his family. Okay, so now one day, what happened? Now one day what happened over there at his home side? Now there comes a big thunderstorm. Okay, some kind of windy air. Okay, that was so strong enough. Okay, and he got a small hut like this. Okay, small hut like this. Now what happened? So in his house there was somewhere crack in his house. Okay, तो वहाँ पे उसका जो उसका घर था उसके अंदर थोड़ा छेद था या फुटा हुआ था. So now what happened? So it air passed from that side. Now the air which was blowing outside, now that air entered their house. That means वो घर के अंदर चले गए. So after entering that air was so cold enough so that get the affection to his father, because his father was too old person. Okay, so after that now his father started shivering. Now shivering का मतलब क्या होता है? एक से काम ना होता है. Okay, now his father told that I could wish that if I will get a drink or a shake to drink which will be the energetic that can warm my heart. Okay, so that father said that sentence. Even it's written on a book, you can see it. Okay, so उसका पापा ने बोला काश मुझे एक शेक मिल जाते जिसके कारण से मेरा दिल को एकदम स्ट्रांग बनाते. ठीक है ना, तो वो एनर्जेटिक ड्रिंक था. तो नाउ बट ही थॉट दैट, तारो थॉट दैट वर्ड्स, दैट सेंटेंस get it on his heart. Okay, so he became so despairs and he became so upset. He thought and what can I do for him, how I will buy that expensive or that costly. That means expensive means costly, which will be very costly. Obviously we will not find a shake in a little amount. When you go outside for to drink a shake also, on that time also maximum we will get 150 above, right? So now this 150 is less for us, might be, but it is not less for Taro, because he was too poor and he is the only one to look after his family. So now he thought how I will buy that expensive shake which can warm my father's heart. Okay, so now what happened? He jumped early in the morning before than the usual time. Okay, so he jumped from the bed and he ran towards the jungle, okay, to cut down the woods. Now what happened? So after that he worked very hard before than ever. Okay, वो काम इतना ज़्यादा करते रहे, जितना वो करते थे दिन में उससे भी ज़्यादा वो करने लगे. किस लिए? Because he want to buy a shake for his father. Okay, now why? Because his father wants to drink that shake to make his heart warmer than ever, to make the energetic. Okay, so that is why now he thought about that and he started working harder than before. Okay, now what happened? Now when he was working, now the things which he was wearing was jacket. Okay, now he opened that jacket and kept it aside and again started working and working. But now what happened? Now all his face started sweating. Okay, now his whole face was covered with sweat. Sweat means perspiration. Okay, perspiration, that means पूरा बदन को sweating होना. तो वो sweating होने लगे. Okay, now when he was sweating, now his lips became dried. Okay, his lips became dried and he wants to drink water, but he did not stop at once. He was just going continuously on his work. Okay, so now he's he could hear some sound. Okay, that was running behind the rock. So now he just stopped his work and he just pull off his ear and he said, what was that? I have ever not heard that kind of sound before. Now what could it be? Okay, so he thought himself, because वो पहले भी उस जगह में आया करते थे पर उसने कभी भी ऐसा टाइप का साउंड नहीं सुना था. तो वो चौंक गए. वो क्या हो सकता है? अरे मैं यहाँ पे तो हर रोज़ आती हूँ फिर भी मुझको ये सब सुनाई नहीं देता था, तो आज अचानक से क्या हो गया है ना. So he started, that was the rushing fast flowing. Okay, that means he went towards that direction. Okay, he ran towards that direction. Direction means side. उस दिशा में जहाँ से आवाज आ रहे थे उस दिशा में वो चले गए. Okay, so he can see that behind a rock there was a rushing stream. Okay, there was a rushing stream. वहाँ पे एक waterfall था, तो एकदम flow हो रहे थे, एकदम सुंदर प्रकार से वो flow हो रहे थे. That means rushing means fast flowing. Okay, now when he saw that the rushing waterfall, he kneels down on his knee. That means kneeling down. Kneeling down means bending on knees. जो हम लोग का ये घुटना होता है उसमें वो नील हो गए और वो पानी पीने लगे. He started drinking that water, but he could not believe that what he was doing or what he was drinking. He could not think that he is drinking a cold water or either it was a sick. He could not believe himself, and he tested again and again and again. He just washed his face, again he put inside his mouth, and again he was swirling, and again he was doing that. He could not believe itself. What was that? What was this? What is going on? What is happening with me? Is it a sick? Or is it a water? He was so surprised. He was astonished with himself. Now what he did? He took his pitch. Okay, pitch means जो एक container type का होता है जिसमें हम पानी रखते हैं. ठीक है? तो he took a pitch from there, and what happened? He just poured that sack inside that pitch, and he rushed towards his father house where his father was. Okay, now वो एकदम दौड़ते दौड़ते एकदम जल्दी जल्दी दौड़ते वो अपने पापा के पास चले गए. So when his father drank that sack, now he was so happy ever like after. वो जिंदगी में कभी इस टाइप से खुश नहीं हुए थे. वो एकदम जैसे उसने वो सेक पिया ना, उसका बॉडी इतना एनर्जेटिक हो गए, इतना एनर्जेटिक हो गए. So he came in the middle of the floor. Okay, वो एकदम बीच में आए, मिडल में आकर वो एकदम खुशी से मारे नाचने लगे थे. Okay, so dear student, this is the part 1 of our story. I will be doing the continuous of part 2 in our next video. Till then, thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope you will do this, and even you will try to solve this answer. As you know my number, you will, after doing the answer of this question, you will send on my WhatsApp. Thank you so very much.